Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is April 30th, 2026. Our AI model found 11 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. MORN Morningstar Incorporated Financial Services Sector. Financial data and stock exchanges. Leveraged loan ETFs, mutual funds, and closed-end funds collectively fell $3.9 billion in March to $93.3 billion, marking the 8th consecutive monthly contraction, with AUM at the funds declining by $17.7 billion. Despite outflows totaling $7 billion in the first quarter, CLO ETFs have drawn nearly $6 billion of inflows YTD, with AAA CLO funds in particular benefiting from an up-in-quality bias, according to Deutsche Bank research. After 11 straight weekly outflows, loan funds have posted consecutive weekly inflows, with bid prices stabilizing in March and momentum picking up in April amid strong corporate earnings. Software credits, which account for 12.6% of the Morningstar LSTA US Leveraged Loan Index and more than twice the share of any other subsector, have posted modest gains after a sharp decline in first 2 months of the year. Here are the key growth metrics for MORN sales growth trailing 12 months, 7.5%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 20.6%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 42.7%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 53.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 46.3%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 72.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize MORN article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 72.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. INSM Insmed Incorporated. Healthcare sector. Biotechnology. Insmed Incorporated, Nasdaq, INSM, announced that management will present at the following investor conferences. Insmed is a people-first global biopharmaceutical company striving to deliver first and best-in-class therapies to transform the lives of patients facing serious diseases. The events will be webcast live and can be accessed by visiting the investor relations section of Insmed's website. The company's focus remains on delivering first and best therapies to patients. Here are the key growth metrics for INSM sales growth trailing 12 months, 66.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 0%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 57%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 78.7%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 36.3%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 74.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize INSM article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 74.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. Mirion Technologies Incorporated Industrial Sector. Specialty Industrial Machinery. Mirion Technologies Inc. MIR reported a strong start to 2026 with a 19% increase in first quarter orders excluding M&A-related growth, with backlog expanding significantly to $1.1 billion, up 19% excluding acquisitions and 38% including backlog growth. Mirion Technologies secured $50 million in large opportunity orders in Q1 and an additional $35 million in SMR-related orders in April, with integration of the Paragon and Certrec acquisitions progressing well, contributing to 45% revenue growth for Paragon. Medical segment showed promising activity with double-digit organic revenue growth in RTQA end market and a strong partnership with Varian, while nuclear and safety segment margins contracted due to margin dilution, one-time events, and mix shifts. Here are the key growth metrics for MIR sales growth trailing 12 months, 12.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 21.1%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 50.3%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 40.5%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 38.2%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 71.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize MIR article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 71.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 8 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.